हेलो बच्चों, कैसे हैं आप सभी? आई होप आप सभी अच्छे होंगे। तो आज का टॉपिक है कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ प्रोबेबिलिटी। लर्निंग ऑब्जेक्टिव्स, इंट्रोडक्शन, सम इंपॉर्टेंट डेफिनेशंस, प्रोबेबिलिटी। नाउ इंट्रोडक्शन। In our daily life, we often hear phrases such as probably it will rain tomorrow, or it will probably be a hot day today, or most probably India will win the match. All of these phrases show a certain degree of uncertainty. Probability gives a precise meaning to the idea of uncertainty. In this chapter, we shall discuss about various definitions related to probability and its applications in our daily life. Now, some important definitions. First is trial. A trial is an action which results in one or several outcomes. For example, in the tossing of a coin, the possible outcomes are head, H, or tail, T. Whereas in the throwing a dice, the possible outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now, random experiment. An experiment in which the result of a trial cannot be predicted in advance is called a random experiment. For example, tossing a coin, throwing a die, tossing a pair of dice are random experiments. Now, third is event. An event is the collection of some outcomes of the experiment associated to a random experiment. Getting a head in a particular toss of a coin is an event with outcome head. Similarly, getting a tail in an event with outcome tail. Now, happening of an event. An event associated with a random experiment is said to happen if any one of the outcomes satisfy the definition of the event is an outcome of the experiment when it is performed. In a random experiment of throwing a dice, if the outcomes of the throw is 2, then we say that each one of the following event happens: getting 2, getting an even number, getting a number less than 3. Now, probability. Probability is a fractional number that measures the chance of an outcome happening. Empirical probability. The probability of occurrence of an event is defined as P. Occurrence of an event is equals to number of trials in which event occurred divided by total number of trials. This is the formula to find out the probability. Now, no more. Probability has a value between 0 and 1. The probability of an impossible happening is 0 and that of a certain happening is 1. Example से करते हैं. Example 1. In a survey of 250 boys, it was found that 80 like apples, 70 like grapes and rest like other fruits. Out of these boys, one boy is chosen at random. What is the probability that the chosen boy likes apple, likes other fruits? Solution करते हैं. We have total number of boys is equals to 250. Number of boys who like apples is equals to 80. Number of boys who like grapes is equals to 70. Now A part. Probability that the chosen boy likes apple. Apple कितने boys like करते हैं? 80. And total number कितने हैं? 250. तो 80 by 250 that is equals to 8 by 25 is the probability of chosen boy likes apple. Now B. Number of boys who like other fruits. That is equals to 250 minus 80 plus 70. That is equals to 250 minus 150 is equals to 100. 100 boys like other fruits. So, probability that the chosen boy likes other fruits is equals to 100 by 250 that is equals to 2 by 5. Now, example 2. A survey of 150 families shows the results given below. Number of girls in the family, number of families 2, 50, 1, 75, 0, 25. Out of these families, one is chosen at random. What is the probability that the chosen family has one girl? Solution करते हैं इसका. Total number of families is equals to 150. Number of families having one girl is equals to 75. So probability of getting a family having one girl is equals to number of families having one girl divided by total number of families, that is 75 upon 150 is equals to 1 by 2. Now example 3. A coin is tossed 150 times and head is obtained 71 times. If a coin is tossed at random, what is the probability of getting a tail? Solution करते हैं. Total number of trials is equals to 150. Number of times head appeared is equals to 71. Number of times tail appeared is equals to 150 minus 71 is equals to 79. Now probability of getting a tail is equals to number of times tail appeared divided by total number of trials, that is equals to 79 upon 150. Now example 4. A dice is thrown 80 times and the outcomes are as shown below. Outcomes and frequency: 1 16 times, 2 23 times, 3 9 times, 4 4 times, 5 10 times and 6 18 times. If the dice is thrown at random, find the probability of getting 1 even number, multiples of 3. Now solution. A part is outcomes of 1 is equals to 16. So probability of getting 1 is equals to 16 by total कितने हैं 80, that is equals to 1 upon 5. Now B part, since even numbers occurred in throwing a dice are 2, 4 and 6. Its outcomes are 23, 4 and 18 respectively. So total number of outcomes of even numbers is equals to 23 plus 4 plus 18, that is equals to 45. So probability of getting even numbers is equals to 45 by 80, that is equals to 9 by 16. Now C part, since multiples of 3 occurred in throwing a dice are 3 and 6. Its outcomes are 9 and 18 respectively. So total number of outcomes of multiples of 3 is equals to 9 plus 18, that is equals to 27. So probability of getting multiples of 3 is equals to 27 by 80. Now apply your learning. Find the probability of choosing a consonant from alphabets. कितने vowels होते हैं 5. Consonant कितने हुए 26 minus 5, that is 21. तो 21 upon 26. तो इस तरह से बच्चों एक्सरसाइज आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. आई होप आपको चैप्टर समझ आया. इसका रिवीजन आप खुद कीजिए.